Hello, my juicy jelly beans. Today, we're going to be trying a new revolution that J Addiction has brought out for us as resin artists. The perfect thing to make silicone molds without spending tons of money. This brush-on silicone lets us make small molds of our choosing, and it dries in 10 to 15 minutes, which is a double whammy. It also includes 2 silicone brushes and 2 wooden sticks, plus super easy instructions with pictures. So today we're going to make a medium mold. I want to do these stunning lips, perfect for my girls to decorate. I would advise you to use a plastic sheet to do this on, as silicone sticks to silicone and we need to protect our mat. We're going to need to make a stand to be able to prop our piece up. I'm just using a small plastic cup and some white tack to hold it down. Make sure it's nice and stable. That way, anything that drips, we can scoop it up and use it again. This silicone is done by weight, equal parts A plus B. You don't need much as it dries really fast. We can always make more and add more layers. We need to mix the silicone for 3 minutes, so I'm using my timer. Don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the cup. Don't worry about the bubbles. Once you're ready, use a popsicle stick or the silicone brush and begin to cover your piece. Whatever drips off, just scoop it back up and put it back onto your piece. It's literally that simple. This is dry. I kept topping up the front part of the lips to make this part thicker, as this will be the base. With the dried leftover silicone, I peeled it off the cup and the plastic sheet, which we can use to add more padding. Might as well. I've prepared some more silicone and I'm going to try to add these leftover pieces once the silicone gets a little thicker, and also give everything a second coat. Yep, I demolded it without you, but it was because I thought I was taping, but I actually was just taking pictures. But look, just how easy and how fast it was to make. The base with the silicone bits helps it make a hard bottom. I'm going to trim some bits off to try and make it a bit more level, but we can always just prop it up. I'm going to colour in the mould to see if it works. Not going to do anything special. I'm just going to use this delicious blue and cover the whole mould. For resin, I'm going to use J Addiction Fast Cure 1:1 by volume. I'm really excited to use this. Who doesn't love a fast cure? I have a juicy discount code in the description box if you want to try any of the products. Resin is already mixed and I added some black pigment paste. And now it's time to pour this baby in. Watch closely as something nearly happened. Did you see it? I'll show you again in slow-mo. Wow, I caught it in time as it nearly toppled over, which would have created one crazy mess. No bueno, no bueno. So I propped it up a bit better and topped it all up, then I left it to cure. Big thank you to all my subscribers and channel members. You guys are the sweetest. Love you lots. We've reached 5K. I'd like to give a giveaway goodie bag to say thank you for joining me on this journey. This giveaway is open to everyone all around the world. Leave in the comments the word bubble to enter, and we will draw the lucky winner on Saturday the 31st of May here on my channel. Good luck everyone. This is cured and it's ready to demold. That was such a lovely feeling, and look, perfection. Just need to cut off the excess and the back. But just look at it. It's stunning. It looks like velvet. I'm so happy J Addiction has made this brush on silicone. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!